Hi again. In this video, I will explain how mining or minting is working and then compare the two main ways of validating a transaction. So let's get started. Mining is when a group of nodes expend their compute resources to create a block of valid transactions. So in other words, mining is the process by which coins, for example, Bitcoins, are entered in circulation. And in that kind of way, the network confirms new transactions and is a critical component of the blockchain's ledger maintenance and development. Any node on the network that declares itself as a miner can attempt to create and validate a block. So lots of miners from around the world try to create and validate blocks at the same time. Each miner provides a mathematical proof when submitting a block to the blockchain. And this proof acts as a guarantee. If the proof exists, the block must be valid. So for a block to be added to the main blockchain, the miner must prove it is faster than any competitor miner. The process of validating each block by having a miner provide a mathematical proof is known as proof of work. This is done by sophisticated hardware that solves extremely complex computational math problems. And to make it more attractive for miners, the first computer that finds the solution to the problem receives the next block of Bitcoins, so kind of a reward. And then you distinguish between two kind of main ways of the validation of cryptocurrency transactions. So the first one is proof of work, and the other one is proof of stake. I will begin with proof of work. Proof of work and proof of stake are similar in that kind of way that they're both mechanisms through which a distributed network of participants can agree and which new block of transactions is added to a cryptocurrency's digital ledger, known as a blockchain. But they differ in how they reach this endpoint. So proof of work, overall, the purpose of proof of work is to prove in a cryptographically secure way that a particular amount of computation has been expended to generate some output. So this is because there is no better way to find a nonce than is below the required threshold other than enumerate all the possibilities. And proof of stake revolves around a process known as staking. This is a bit like voting, although with most proof of stake cryptocurrencies, the process doesn't involve one person, one vote. Instead, participants, known as the validators, stake a certain amount of crypto behind a block they want. They want to add to the chain, with different blockchains setting different limits for this amount. So the mining power in proof of stake depends on the amount of coins validator is staking. And participants who stake more coins are more likely to be chosen to the new blocks. And proof of stake and proof of work also kind of differ in the energy usage. So the usage for proof of stake is lower than the one for proof of work, but proof of work is more secure than proof of stake. And here are my references. Thank you for listening.